Hi, it's James here from Chapman Machinery, and I'm going to take you through the PC120 paddock cleaner, some of the features and benefits of this machine, give you a quick walk around and show you why it's a great machine for you to buy. The PC120 is a 1.2 metre sweeper collector designed for collecting horse muck, leaves and other general detritus from fields and paddocks and parkland. It's 1.2 metre wide, electric tip and electric start. I'll start at the front and work around the machine, give you some of the specifications on this machine. So first of all, we've got an adjustable swivel hitch and adjustable hitch height, so it'll work on any vehicle with a 50mm tow ball that you may need to use. As you can see, it's a single axle machine. We've got a jockey wheel on the front here, but it means it's very easy to manoeuvre around the field or yard or reverse when you're using it. Moving further back from that, you've got a row of tines here. These are there to agitate the material you're trying to pick up. You can easily adjust the tines as they wear, or if you need more agitation, just by loosening this thumb wheel, dropping it down using the handle here, and tightening again securely. On this machine we fitted a 6.5 horsepower Honda engine, very reliable and powerful unit. It comes with both recoil start and, crucially, electric start. This engine is set up with a centrifugal clutch, so it's just start up, rev and go. Very, very easy to use for any operator. At the side of the machine here we've got the main height adjustment for the sweeping height, retaining pin, and then height adjustment is simply done. It's a one-handed operation by rotating this up or down. Stows away nicely and the clips goes in there to keep it secure when travelling between fields. At the back of the machine we've got a 550 litre steel hopper, heavy duty unit, and it's designed to carry enough material when sweeping a whole field. So you can go around, sweep a whole field, tip it on a heap or pile as you need to when you're done. The tipping mechanism itself is a real key feature of this machine. So it's an electric actuator which works with the electric start engine. So then in order to tip the machine, it is as simple as pressing a button. If you have a look at the rear of the machine, you'll see the hopper tips to a really strong angle, so it'll empty out pretty much all the material you get in there. You get in there with ease. Looking underneath with the hopper raised, you can see the brush system we use on here. So these are plastic brushes on a wooden carrier. Now for most operators, depending on the use you give the machine, these should last a number of years, but it's very easy to replace them with just a few bolts as and when you need to. So moving around to the front of the machine again. With this being an electric tip system that we use, it comes with some heavy duty cable and a good length of cable, so it'll work on pretty much any towing vehicle you need, whether it's a UTV or a 4x4. To close the hopper again, it's a one button operation. The key advantage of this system is you can sweep a field, drive over, tip it without having to leave the operator's seat. Very easy to use, anyone can use. Literally just a key switch to start and a button to work the hopper opening or closing. As with all of our equipment here at Chapman Machinery, this is manufactured on site to a very, very high quality. You'll see there's heavy gauge steel used across the machine. Very easy to use, well designed, and it also comes backed by our two-year warranty.
Hope you found that video informative. Please subscribe to our channel or share with any friends or colleagues, and we will send future videos out via our channel, and we hope you enjoy them. Thank you.